Not too long ago, 3D scanning was something only professionals could afford. It cost thousands of dollars, required complicated setups, and honestly, you needed serious technical knowledge just to get started. But that's no longer the case. In 2026, 3D scanners have become faster, more accurate, and a lot more affordable. You can now scan real-world objects and turn them into digital models for 3D printing, game development, product design, or even reverse engineering. The challenge now isn't access. It's choosing the right one. So, I tested some of the best 3D scanners available right now. To find out which ones deliver the best balance of accuracy, ease of use, and overall value, let's break them down. 1. Einscan Handheld 3D Scanner Pro. Best professional pick. If you need serious accuracy and professional level performance, this is the one to look at. The Einscan Handheld Pro is designed for engineers, designers, and professionals who need reliable, high-precision scans. What makes it stand out is its dual scanning modes: laser scanning for ultra-precise detail, and structured light for faster, more flexible captures. Because it's handheld, you can move around your subject freely. That means you can scan anything from small objects like tools, all the way up to large items like engines or sculptures. Another big advantage is full-color texture mapping. So instead of just capturing shape, it also captures realistic surface detail, perfect for archiving artwork or creating detailed 3D assets. The software is powerful, but still manageable. You get features like automatic alignment, mesh editing, and easy export to all major file formats. If you're working in a professional environment and need the best results possible, this is easily one of the top choices available. 2. Reverpoint Pop 3. Best mid-range option. Now, if you want great performance without spending a fortune, this is where things get interesting. The Reverpoint Pop 3 is one of the best mid-range 3D scanners for hobbyists, creators, and small businesses. It uses dual-camera infrared structured light to capture detailed scans of small to medium-sized objects. And for its price range, the level of detail is seriously impressive. You can capture fine textures, engravings, and complex shapes with solid accuracy. It's also very compact and portable. You can throw it in a small case and take it anywhere, perfect for on-site scanning or makerspaces. The included turntable makes scanning smaller objects even easier. Just place your object, start the scan, and let it do the work. And the software is very beginner-friendly. With one-click processing, you can quickly turn raw scans into usable 3D models for printing or editing. If you're into 3D printing, jewelry design, or small product development, this is one of the best value options you can get. 3. Creality 3D Scanner. Best budget pick. If you're just getting started and don't want to spend too much, this is the perfect entry point. Creality is already well known for their 3D printers, and their scanner follows the same idea: simple, affordable, and beginner-friendly. This scanner uses structured light technology to capture decent detail on small to medium objects. It's not as precise as higher-end models, but for the price, it does a surprisingly good job. One of the best features here is the included turntable. You simply place your object on it, start the scan, and the system handles the rotation and capture automatically. The software is basic, but it gets the job done. You get automatic alignment, mesh generation, and simple export options. Setup is also very easy. Just plug it in via USB and you're ready to go. If you're a student, hobbyist, or just curious about 3D scanning, this is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to get started. 4. 3D Maker Pro 3D Scanner. best for large objects. Now, if your focus is scanning bigger objects, this is where the 3D Maker Pro really shines. This scanner is designed for larger items like furniture, bike frames, automotive parts, and more. It uses dual-camera infrared structured light with a wider scanning range, which means you can capture more surface area in fewer passes. That makes the whole scanning process faster and more efficient. The accuracy is solid for its class, more than enough for reverse engineering or custom part design. Another big advantage is portability. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and battery-powered, so you're not tied down by cables while moving around your subject. The software also includes useful features like texture mapping, mesh editing, and compatibility with major 2D and 3D software. If you're working on larger projects and need flexibility, this is a great tool to have. 5. Matter and Form FS1V2. Best desktop option. If you prefer something simple, compact, and easy to use, this is the one. The Matter and Form MFS1V2 is a desktop 3D scanner designed for small objects and hassle-free operation. It's an all-in-one system with a built-in turntable and enclosed scanning area. That enclosure is actually a big advantage, because it blocks external light and improves scan quality. It uses dual laser scanning to capture fine details on objects like jewelry, collectibles, and small mechanical parts. But the biggest highlight here is the software. It's easily the most beginner-friendly on this list. You get step-by-step guidance and one-click scanning, which makes the whole process simple, even if you've never used a 3D scanner before. It's compact, reliable, and perfect for desks or small workspaces. If you want a plug-and-play solution that just works, this is one of the best options available.